So regarding the belt tensioner, obviously there's no tension on at the moment. You pull a lever, you can see it makes contact and gives tension to the belt. Okay, that's in the fully extracted position. Good tension belt. However, it doesn't stay there. It just retracts back. So that's slightly confusing. It's gone floppy again, the belt. And then pull on it, get a bit of tension, but it will not engage. It just retracts back. So that's confusing. The blades are well, they're not in too bad condition. A little bit dog-eared. Yeah, that's been injected with grease. Yeah, I didn't need to use the nipple. Flush onto the surface, got plenty of grease in, so that's good. Same on the other side. And the motor, that I might not be able to see this. That there's the nipple. See the nipple. That's good. Give it a couple of injections on that. I can hear the grease going in. That went well. Pullers have been injected. All the table is in pristine condition. The belts, I'm going to get these changed. Just assuming that the slack, can always have them as a spare. So the table, some PTFE spray on the slides. All the slides, PTFE spray. What else is there? Yeah, that was nice. I have to inject that without a nipple. Got loads of grease in there, so I'm very happy with that. And yeah, the table's in good condition. The only issue is the outfeed roller. Try and see in a minute if I can see that. Just see the roller there. Or can you? Hold on a minute. It's the roller. Yeah, that roller. I'll just put my fingers on it. Under the table. That roller does not rotate. Sees bare in the summer. I can't get that to move. I don't know how to do that. The other one works fine. Here's the roller. Come on. This is the roller. That rotates fine. So that's just the last remaining problem. Now I will have to get the engine crane at some point. I just wonder, the motor, I'd better check on the mains before getting the crane lift to double check the motor. The motor's working. 13 amp plug. The capacitor has been strapped down securely. I've put a new connection. Got 4 connections now. So apart from a few other bits and bobs, minors, we need to discuss what else needs to happen. What's the next move, please?